Hello, my name is Holly Coleman, and today I will be discussing my assessment of the classroom, the high school geometry classroom in New Orleans, Louisiana. What I found in the video is that the instructor was very engaging. She was upbeat. She was very deliberate about making the connection that there are a lot of misconceptions in the lesson plan of transformation. And the mode and the mood that she set in the classroom is that the student would be comfortable, that they would understand that there are some misconceptions when it comes to this lesson, and today that they will be handling that and bringing clarity to those gray areas. I did notice in my assessment that she used a lot of scaffolding, making or bridging the learning gaps that the students were having. Use of the whiteboard was major and key because during that time, with the use of the level 3 and with the use of level 3 in UDL, she made it a point that she would be going through the process step by step. And in that process, and showing the students exactly what needed to be done in the transformation, then once the modeling was done, they went into the actual practice portion. During the practice portion, I did notice that they were in teams of 2. They were working with one another in order to give feedback, ask questions. They were very open about expressing how they did this wrong. They were open to listening to how the other student figured out the problems and making comparison and really doing a lot of critical thinking during that time. I also enjoyed that the teacher did take the time to go around to each individual group to ask them what was their thinking, what did they really increasing their level of understanding. One key point when the connection was made, I noticed with the scaffolding portion, when the young student, he was asked to make the comparison, and he said that all of the triangles were the exact same size. And during that time, she was able to get him to make the connection that those triangles were congruent, and leading to another discussion, leading to a next level of understanding. The UDL during this lesson plan, I think, was at the highest level. It was very engaging for the students. It utilized technology. They were also able to use hands-on modeling with the translucent paper. They had they were able to pinpoint the origin, even solve mathematical equations along with graphing. My assessment to UDL was that the UDL portion of this lesson exceeded expectations. In addition, the pre-assessment that was done, how she really, I guess, more so, really took the extra time to go through the assessments to see where the learning curves were with the students in order to be more engaging. So the next time they have this lesson, she'll actually have the feedback from questions and be able to develop even more direct questions associated with each individual's learning ability. I think that the lesson plan was well done. The key elements were met, and I can see myself utilizing this lesson in a future classroom. Thank you.